This is for cutting branches and very large stems of trees and shrubs. This is the part I really like. It has telescoping handles. Look how high I can get up here. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today it's Hand Tool Saturday, and as you know, we've got a shipment of tools from our friend Chris over at Corona Tools, and so we wanted to highlight today some new loppers that we got, the dual link loppers. With extendable handles. So we're going to show you how to use that today and go over a lot of its great characteristics.
Yeah, we've been having a lot of fun featuring these brand new tools we received as a gift, and we're so thankful for the shipment that got sent to us. Before we get into all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So guys, here we are in our backyard. Don't mind the fence, it's a work in progress. Here are the dual link power loppers that we got from Corona Tools. Aren't these awesome? Look at these things, they're just beefy and big. Look how big that blade is right there. That is just so huge. Look at that, ginormous. Now, this also has a power link, a power lever right here to give you even more cutting power. There's actually 4 pivoting points to this lopper, and that just gives you so much more leverage and power to get through larger limbs. It's cool. This is for cutting branches and very large stems of trees and shrubs. So the other great thing about this is that this is the part I really like. It has telescoping handles. And this is so awesome because you can actually extend this out. It reaches up to 37 inches, and that's really great because you can stand here and you can get so high up if you need to. You can get really high up and still have all that cutting power. The other cool thing about these extendable handles, these telescoping handles, is you can get those out and then open this lopper up really wide to get around a lot of larger limbs. And it gives you so much more power, even more leverage to come down and make that cut. So these are great tools. So guys, let's stop talking. Let's get to work. Here we go. We've got a dead rhododendron plant right here, and it's big. It's got some big limbs. We're gonna go through and we're just gonna start cutting away. We're gonna use these new loppers, these dual link loppers, to get in here and do it. So here we go. So something to remember when you're cutting dead tissue, dead wood, it's gonna be a lot harder to cut. Live wood is always easier to cut. So this is gonna give us a little bit more of a challenge, but it's gonna be great. Oh yeah. I really like these. These are nice and easy, smooth. Here we go, let's try a really big piece here. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah, look at that, woohoo. Nice. Okay. Now we've got this piece up here. Now again, these are telescoping loppers. Look how high I can get up here. And I can cut this. Look at that. This just makes it so easy. Nice. Now the squirrels aren't going to like this because they usually climb this and jump all over the place. So we made really short work of this large dead rhodie shrub. The rest of these cuts we're going to need a hand saw or maybe even a chainsaw to take care of to really get it back down the ground and get it fully removed. But using these has made this job really easy and go really smooth. So guys, we hope that was a great demo for you to see how these dual link loppers work. There's going to be a link down below in the description of this video if you want to check it out too.
And stay tuned because in the next month or two, we're going to be releasing our brand new pruning course. We'll have a waitlist link open for that soon so you can get signed up and not miss out on the pruning course.
Leave us your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed that, and we'll be back tomorrow with our next new project. So come on back and see what we're up to, and happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.